come here.
No!
We ate your Halloween candy.
What did you say?
We ate all your candy.
You're stupid.
It's all gone.
No, you did.
Yeah, we did. There's no more. We ate it all.
Where is it?
In my belly.
No!
Yes, we did.
You're stupid. You're bad.
No, you're bad.
No, you're bad, because I will kill you.
What?
I will kill you. With a gun. Not mommy.
Not mommy.
You're gonna kill me, but not mommy?
No.
She ate your candy too.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did. It was me and mommy.
Mommy shares, Tiana.
No. Well, she shared with me.
You're stupid, guys.